New at 6, another twist tonight in the case involving the murder of a South Bend 2-year-old. One of the teenagers charged in John Swovlin Jr.'s death asked a judge to lower his bond today. Malcolm Buchanan wants to get out of jail while his case moves through the legal system. WSBT's Kelli Stopczynski is live at the courthouse tonight. Kelli, Buchanan's lawyer says a statement from South Bend's police chief should help his client.
In April, Jennifer, Chief Teachman told me he's addressing a group problem in South Bend. He would not use the word gangs. And the same day he said that, the state ended up charging Malcolm Buchanan and 7 others in the Swovlin murder. They say that all of those 8 suspects admitted to being involved in gangs at the time that it happened. If they're convicted, they could all get double the prison time because of it.
I understand the underlying offense is horrible and terrible and tragic, but we can't put aside our feelings and fail to follow the law.
Malcolm Buchanan is charged with assisting a criminal, a C felony. His lawyer, Jeff Sanford, says the 17-year-old's bond should be $1,000. According to state law, Sanford says that's the standard for a C felony. But a judge set it at $5,000. Indiana law says suspected criminals can face gang enhancement at sentencing if prosecutors can prove they committed a felony with a gang, as a member of a gang, or at the direction of one.
If he was to get convicted of assisting a criminal, then the gang enhancement comes in. It's just an enhancement. It's not a crime in and of itself.
According to court documents, the West Side Gang and East Side or Evil Side Gang pulled out guns during a fight in April. A stray bullet from that fight killed 2-year-old John Swovlin Jr. Here's what South Bend's police chief said then when I asked how the young men can be charged as gang members if they're simply part of a group.
Whenever you have an assembly of young people involved in criminal enterprise, you have a group that needs to be addressed. So it isn't really semantics, it's more of a refined definition of what the problem is.
If you have a law enforcement officer saying that there's not a gang, there's no gangs in South Bend, or South Bend doesn't have a gang problem, then I think that the state needs to look at their proof.
Some people might look at this and say it's a political move since you are running for prosecutor.
And it has nothing to do with politics, it has something to do with what's right and what's just.
The judge in this case just issued her decision a short time ago denying Malcolm Buchanan's request for bond reduction. That means it will stay at $5,000. In her order, she wrote, even though assisting a criminal, what he's charged with, is not considered a crime of violence per legal code, she says what he's accused of doing in this case, lying about a murder and an attempted murder, that is a crime of violence, says the judge. Jennifer?
And Kelli, the prosecutor's office is not commenting about this case.
No, Mike Dvorak, the prosecutor, told me today in an email that it is not his practice to comment on ongoing criminal litigation. But in court today, the deputy prosecutor handling this case told the judge the $5,000 bond is appropriate based on the gravity of the offense. So the judge clearly agreeing with him there. That DPA also told the judge that Buchanan and the others admitted to investigators they were part of a gang when this happened. I also reached out to Police Chief Ron Teachman today and am still waiting to hear back.
Well, the difference in words coming back again tonight. Kelli, thanks very much.